All right, one of the next major points of vapor honing versus dry blasting is the fact that we have zero dust or no dust with the vapor honing process. Huge issue in today's really manufacturing environment. A lot of companies are using dry blasting machines. They have to basically isolate dry blasting to a specific room with good exhaust systems because the abrasive and the dust is so bad. A vapor honing machine could be set beside a CNC machine all day, every day. There's no major issue with dust contaminating the environment, which also means that the person operating the machine is not inhaling that dust as well. So dust is a major issue in the world today. Vapor honing can certainly help with that. And one of the major reasons why vapor honing can help with dust is obviously because of the water. The water's there trapping that dust particle and basically pulling it down and keeping it from going out into the atmosphere. Another great point that vapor honing is superior to dry blasting is in the fact that all consumables in a vapor honing cabinet, abrasive, nozzles, gloves, hoses, floors, windows, any consumable in a vapor honing cabinet will last 8 to 10 times longer than a dry blasted cabinet. Obviously, this is a huge impact on a customer's bottom line. Their direct expenses per year are going to decrease when using a vapor honing cabinet. So you can think about it this way. If they're using abrasives, 200 pounds of abrasive a month, we're going 8 to 10 times longer on 25 pounds of abrasive. So that 200 pounds significantly is reduced due to the fact that we use 8 to 10 times less and we extend the consumable life 8 to 10 times versus a dry blasting cabinet. So hopefully that helps a little bit with longevity and consumable lifespan.